Respiration in organisms. Respiration is a process of breaking down glucose to obtain energy. There are two types of respiration, aerobic and anaerobic. Aerobic respiration requires oxygen, while anaerobic respiration does not. Humans breathe in oxygen-rich air and breathe out carbon dioxide. The respiratory system includes the nose, mouth, trachea, lungs, and diaphragm. The respiratory system helps transport oxygen to cells in the body. Other animals have different respiratory systems. Fish use gills to extract oxygen from water. Insects have tracheae that transport air directly to their cells. Breathing underwater is not possible for humans. Plants also respire and release carbon dioxide. During photosynthesis, plants use carbon dioxide and release oxygen. At night, plants consume more oxygen than they release. The human respiratory system is susceptible to diseases such as asthma and bronchitis. Cigarette smoking can cause respiratory problems. Pollution can also cause respiratory problems. Respiratory exercises can help strengthen the respiratory system. The lungs play a vital role in the respiratory system. The alveoli are small sacs in the lungs where gas exchange takes place. The diaphragm is a muscle that helps in the process of breathing. Respiration is necessary for the survival of living organisms. Inefficient respiration can lead to fatigue and other health problems. Aerobic respiration produces more energy than anaerobic respiration. The respiratory system works in conjunction with the circulatory system. The respiratory and circulatory systems work together to transport oxygen and nutrients to the body's cells. The respiratory system is responsible for removing carbon dioxide from the body. Breathing is an automatic process but can be controlled continuously. Breathing deeply can help improve the oxygenation of the body. Breathing exercises can help reduce stress and anxiety. Respiratory infections can be caused by viruses or bacteria. The common cold and flu are examples of respiratory infections. Pneumonia is a serious respiratory infection. Tuberculosis is a bacterial infection that affects the lungs. Lung cancer is a type of cancer that affects the lungs. Emphysema is a lung disease that causes shortness of breath. Bronchitis is a respiratory disease that causes inflammation of the bronchial tubes. Allergies can cause respiratory problems such as wheezing and coughing. Respiratory problems can be treated with medication and lifestyle changes. Regular exercise can help improve the respiratory system. Yoga and meditation can also help improve respiratory health. Breathing techniques such as pursed lip breathing can help improve breathing efficiency. Breathing problems can lead to sleep apnea. Sleep apnea is a sleep disorder that causes pauses in breathing during sleep. Sleep apnea can be treated with a continuous positive airway pressure machine. Respiratory problems can affect people of all ages. Respiratory problems can be prevented by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Air pollution can cause respiratory problems and should be avoided. Proper ventilation is important for maintaining good respiratory health. Respiratory problems can have a significant impact on quality of life. Early detection and treatment of respiratory problems is important for successful treatment. Activity. How can we prove that breathing is necessary or prove that breathing is necessary for survival? Aim. To prove that breathing is necessary for survival. Procedure. This activity is done under the supervision of the teacher. A group of students are taken and they are made to stand in a line. They are asked to close their nostrils and mouth and observe the time. Observation. They stayed 15 to 20 seconds only by closing both their nostrils and mouth. Inference. Breathing is very much necessary for the survival. We feel suffocated if we stop breathing for few seconds. Holding of breath depends on person's capacity, or holding the breath differs from person to person basing on their capacity. Conclusion. This experiment proves that breathing is necessary for survival.